Hello my friends, welcome. In this video very quickly I will tell you how to connect Interactive Brokers to MetaTrader 5. So if you want to use the Interactive Brokers with MetaTrader, you might encounter some issues. Since IBKR doesn't natively support MT5, you'll need a workaround. So here is how you can try and set it up. So firstly, of course, as you can see, I am on their official website, and there's actually a small article about the compatibility between them and MetaTrader. You can read some of this by yourself. Here's the link in the article. So firstly, of course, make sure to open the IBKR account. Make sure you have a Interactive Brokers account with API access enabled. After that, download IB Gateway or TWS. You need to go to the interactivebrokers.com, download IB Gateway or Trader Workstation. So let us, for example, just go to the Interactive Brokers. So you go on this website, and yeah, you just log in. If you don't have an account, create one. After that, you need to enable API access in TWS or IB Gateway. Go to Edit. After that, you go to Global Configuration, and then you go to API. After that, guys, enable the ActiveX and Socket clients and set trusted IPs if required. After that, use a bridge software. Since IBKR doesn't support MT5 directly, you need a bridge like FX Blue Bridge or MetaTrader 2 IB plugin. Install and configure it following the provider's instructions. After that, just connect MT5, open MetaTrader 5, go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and enable DLL imports. Load the bridge EA onto the chart and enter your IBKR connection details. After that, test the connection and that's it. Now you can trade on Interactive Brokers using MT5. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thank you for watching.